Hey all, in this video, we are going to discuss fractional equivalence to percentages. What it is about, right? I'll show you one or two numericals so that you get to know the advantage of using fractional equivalence to percentages. And these days in bank exams, CLAT and SSC and many more government sector jobs, you are having data interpretation and caselets where the data is handled with most of the percentage concepts. So better to know some high-level fractional equivalence to percentages. So can you see these typical questions? What is 38.5% of 66.666% of 48,000? 7 9 by 13% of 6 2 by 3% of 19,500 is what? 8 1 by 3% of 7 9 by 13% of 1,56,000 is what? To solve these questions easily, we have a concept called, we have small techniques called fractional equivalence to percentages. So this is nothing new again. Many people are well aware of this. So that's why I want to give you somewhat little information about this fractional equivalence to percentage. So before going to know the values, how do you convert a fraction to percentage and percentage to fraction? So friends, to convert a fraction to percentage, you need to multiply the fraction with 100. We know that we have half value. If I say that give me half of your money, what do you mean by that? Half percentage, right? 50%, right? So which means if I multiply a fraction with 100, that will be converted into percentage. Similarly, what about percentage to fraction? To convert percentage to fraction, you need to divide by 100. What do you mean? Let us take the same numerical. So 50% means 50% per 100. So it is 1 by 2, right? Ulta, the same value. So to convert percentage to fraction, you need to divide with 100. And to convert fraction to percentage, you need to multiply with 100. Now let us see some of the very important and most frequently asked numbers in exams, right? So these are the very familiar guys. 1 by 10, right? So all these results are obtained by multiplying fraction with 100. So 1 by 10, if I multiply with 100, let's take one numerical, it will be 10%, right? If 1 by 10 is 10%, what is 2 by 10? Just 2 times of this, 20%. What is 3 by 10? 30%. 4 by 10, 40%. 5 by 10, 50%, and so on. This is one track of the numbers. Similarly, you have one more frequent number, 1 by 9. So 1 by 9 is 11.111%, which if you convert into mixed fraction, 11 1 by 9%. I think everybody are aware of this number, but these days, caselets and data interpretation data is mentioned in terms of mixed fractions. Let us try to have mixed fractions in our mind. So if 1 by 9 is 11 1 by 9, friends, what is 2 by 9? Simply 2 times, right? So this is somewhere 22.222 and so on. This is 22 2 by 9%. So what is 3 by 9, guys? So 3 by 9 is 1/3, right? So 1/3 means 33.333%. This is percentage, guys. I am converting into percentage, no? So if you convert into mixed fraction, 33 1 by 3%, and one more equivalent, 33 3s are 99 plus 100. So 100 by 3% is also 3 by 9. So 4 by 9 means 4 times and so on. You can take any such numbers. Now let us talk about 1 by 8 value. Even this also is very crucial number. So let's take, what about the discussion with 1 by 8 numbers? So 1 by 8 is 12.5%. So 12.5 means 12 1 by 2, right? What is 12 1 by 2%? Even 25 by 2% also give the same. So 1 by 8, 12.5, 12 1 by 2, 25 by 2%, you must be very familiar. So 2 by 8 is 2 times, right? 2 times of 1 by 8, which is 1/4. So 1/4 is 25%. So 3 by 8 is, guys, 3 times of this. So 3 times of 12.5, 37.5. Or you can also say 3 times, right? So 12 3s are 36, 37 1 by 2, right? You can say 37 1 by 2%. Or here you are doing 3 times, right? What is 3 times of 25? 75 by 2% also will give the same numerical. So please be aware of this. And we have 5 by 8 value. 5 by 8 value is also very important, which is 5 times of that, 62.5%. 7 by 8 is also very important, which is 87.5%. So this is 1 by 10, 1 by 9, 1 by 8 combination. Now let us see a little more information about 1 by 7 combinations, right? Let's talk about 1 by 7. So friends, 1 by 7 is 14.28% approximately. There is some more extension. Let us start with the 2 digits. This is 14, 2 by 7%. If it is 2 times, you can take 2 by 7 as well. So 2 by 7 means 28.56 point something or 57, which is 28, 4 by 7%. So 3 by 7 means 3 times, 4 times, 5 times you can take. Now let us talk about 1 by 6, guys. 1 by 6, how do you argue this then? So if you try to think in terms of 1 by 6 combinations, 1 by 6 is 16.666%, and mixed fraction is 16, 2 by 3%. And one more expression, 16 3s are 48 plus 250, even 50 by 3% also the same. If you take 2 by 6, 1/3 will come. I think 1/3 is already done. If you take 2 times, 2 by 6 is done. 3 by 6 is half done. 4 by 6 is done. 4 by 6, how do you write, guys? 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. So 2/3 means what, guys? 2/3 means 66.666%. This is 66 2 by 3%. So 66 2 by 3% also we will use more frequently. Please keep it in mind. Now 1 by 6 combination is done now. So if it is 1 by 6 combination is done, let us talk about 1 by 5 combination numbers. 1 by 5 numbers. So friends, what is 1 by 5? 1 by 5 is 20%. So 2 by 5 is 2 times, right? So 2 times is 40%. 3 by 5 is 3 times of 1 by 5. So 3 times of 1 by 5 is how much? 60%. So 4 by 5 means just 4 times, that is 80%. Okay, let us talk about 1 by 4 expressions then. So we are done with this also. Let us go for 1 by 4 expressions now. So I am trying to fit most of the data into a single table so that it will be helpful for you. So now 1 by 4 is exactly 1/4, that is 25%. 2 by 4, 1 by 2, that is already done. 1 by 2 is done, right? Anywhere we did this 1 by 2. Okay, let us do it. So 2 by 4 is simply 2 times, so which is 1 by 2, which is 50%. So 3 by 4 is also a very important number. So 3 by 4 is 75%. So denominator 3 value, how to think of that then? So when you have the denominator 3 values, guys, when you have denominator 3, what is 1 by 3 that we already did here? 33 1 by 3, 33.33, 100 by 3. 2 by 3 is also done. If denominator is 2, 1 by 2, 50% is done. So these are 1 by 10, 1 by 8, 1 by 7, 1 by 6, 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. What if you have some complicated numbers in the denominator like 1 by 11, 1 by 12? All those numbers are very important. Now let us go for the next discussion. What if the numbers having denominator as 11? So 1 by 11 means that is 9 1 by 11%, or this is also 9.09%, and equivalent decimal is 0.0909 and so on. And I always suggest you guys to remember this mixed fractions and percentage equivalent. So 1 by 12, how do you argue 1 by 12, friends? 1 by 12 is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4, right? So 1 by 3 is 1 by 12 is 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. So this can be written as 0.8333 equivalent decimal. In terms of percentage, 83.33%, or in terms of mixed fraction, 8 to 1 by 3%. So 8 to 1 by 3% is same as 1 by 12. Keep in mind, simplifications plays a very crucial role with these calculations. What if it is 1 by 13 then? How do you think about 1 by 13? So friends, 1 by 13 value is 7/9 by 13%. And this is 0769 and so on. 13 sevens are 91 plus 900, 100 by 13%, right? So how do you think about 1 by 14 number then? 1 by 14 is how much? 17 in 100, 14 goes how many times, guys? 7, 1 by 7%, right? How do you think of this? If you have a doubt, simple thing is divide 100 by 14. So let us erase this. Let us try to understand the basic. How I am going to derive all this? 17 sevens are 98, right? So 2 is the remainder. If I can write this as 7 2 by 14 percentage. So this is 7 1 by 7 percentage. That's what I told. So if you have a doubt, you can derive in this format. So 1 by 15 is how much, friends? 1 by 15 is 6 2 by 3 percentage. How I am going to derive is that I have did in my mind 1 by 15 is 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is 0.5. 0.5 half 1/3 means 0.0666 and so on, which we convert into decimal 0.666 and so on. What if it is 1 by 16 then? If it is having 1 by 16, so I am doing all this, some high level exams like mains and advanced levels, you'll have this question. So 1 by 16 is, this is a very peculiar number, 6 1 by 4 percentage, which is 0.0625. Or you can also say it as 6.25 percentage as well. So in the same way, you can derive 1 by 17, 1 by 18 and so on. Now by using these basics, these conversions to fractions to percentage, percentage to fraction, let us try to solve our questions which I started in the beginning. Now you'll be surprised to see the answers for that once if you are familiar with fractional equivalence to percentage. First, let me tell you the general way of solving this. The general way is 38.5% of 66.666% of 48,000. Can you imagine? You can really solve this in exam by using this general method? No, I don't imagine. What you can do is 30. So I think I did a small mistake here. This should be 37.5, friends, guys. To make it that fraction equivalence to percentages, I make a small mistake in the typing part. This should be 37.5 percentage. So 37.5 percentage 3 by 8. 66.66 percentage 2/3 of 48,000. So in exam, they will try to set the numbers which are easily divisible, and the only thing they want to test you is whether you are aware of the knowledge or not, aware of the fraction equivalence or not. So 8 3s are 24, 24 goes 2 times in 48. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12,000 is our answer. See how simply, So nothing to worry that 38.5 percentage, I made a small typing error. Now what is the second question that we have? We have the second question, 7 9 by 13% of 6 2 by 3% of 19,500 is what? But friends, do you remember 7 9 by 13 is 113, right? Into of means into 6 2 by 3% means 1 by 15 of 19,500. Now 15 13s are 195, 2 zeros left, 100 is the answer. So those kind of calculations will be helpful in solving caselets, friends. Now let's see the last question of the day, last question of this video. 8 1 by 3% of 7 9 by 13% of 1,56,000 is what? Now we know that 8 1 by 3 is nothing but 1 by 12, right? So this is 1 by 12. What is 7 9 by 13 then? Is it 1 by 13 of 1,56,000? So 13 12s are 156, 156 cancel, we left with 1,000. So in this way, fractional equivalence to percentages will help you a lot. So that's all for the video, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want to learn 3 more such techniques, you can subscribe to my channel, Learn Q and Love. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep inspiring.